This is more than the typical kind of thing. Got the Jones in my bones and you ain't touching me. Oh, didn't wanna take it slow. Oh my God. And this ain't going crazy, I can barely think. You're replaying in my brain, find it hard to sleep. Waiting for my phone to blow.
Come on.
I'm here in a sticky situation, got a little trouble, yeah, but I'm patient. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, time it's been an hour. Don't wanna think too hard, but I'm sour. I just think, I know I need lyrics. I can't seem to let you go. See, I've been waiting all day. I've been waiting all day for you to call me baby. Let's get up, let's get on it. Don't you leave me broken hearted tonight. Come on, that's right. Honest, baby, I'll do anything you want to. So can we finish what we started? Don't you leave me broken hearted tonight.
Come on.
That's right.
Yeah.
Meron
pa, hindi pa tapos. Hindi pa tapos.
Yung rap?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, go.
That's right. Sure, yo. Hey, anything you want to do, I'll be on it too. Anything you say, it's like gold with a view. This is on the front, party in the back. Maybe I was wrong, was it? I don't really whack. This kind of thing doesn't happen usually. I'm on the side of it. I know. Nalilito na.
I'm on the top of the
Nalilito na.
I'm on the opposite side.
Take two.
Okay.
Ano yun? Paano yun? Nalilito na ako.
Anything you want.
Anything, 5,
7, 8.
Anything you want to do, I'll be on it too. Anything you say is like gold with a view. This is on the front, party on the back. Maybe I was wrong, was it? I don't really whack. This kind of thing doesn't happen usually. I'm on the opposite side of it truthfully. I know you want it, so come and get it. Should be you.
Yo!
Break it down, yo.
Ano pa? Dalawa daw.
Yung ano?
Uy, parang kunyari nasa Shimmy or Shern.
Sure.
You want some song, ha?
Alam mo yung look at me now? Sobrang bilis.
Tingin ka daw sa kanya.
Ready na siya.
Hindi ako updated sa mga
Kinanta mo kanina sa
kanina. Ano yung kinanta?
Chorus lang. Clarity. Clarity.
Yung tumatalong
Yung tumatalong ka.
Tumatalong-talong.
I dive in a frozen waves where the past comes back to life. Toxic, selfish pain, it was worth it.
Napakalinaw nung
Hold still, hold still as it breaks your glass, 'cause we both know how it ends. The clock ticks till it breaks your glass, and I dive in you again. 'Cause you are the piece